The movie starts with a melancholic bride whose groom was just killed with arrows in his chest. This is Le Demo's family who ascended to power and wealth through games. It is believed in family that some Mr. Lerbel is responsible for the prosperity of the family and that every newlywed couple has to play a game at midnight till morning which is selected by Mr. Lerbel. The procedure of game is simple. A blank card will be placed in a magical box and will be passed around the table for each family member to pass it on till it reaches last member who is going to be new member of the family, bride, groom. Sometimes the games are ordinary like chess or checkers and sometimes deadly like hide and seek. None knows what might will appear on card. Alex, who had left his family a while ago, is in love with a beautiful girl named Grace and is willing to marry her. Alex is the only living member who had seen Mr. Lerbel when his auntie in the start of movie killed her groom in the game hide and seek. Hide and seek is a deadly game in which new member, bride, groom, is asked to hide without given any details of what that means. The whole family then arm themselves with deadly weapons and search the member. It has certain rules. 1. The family member who has just married is not allowed to help her partner. 2. The family had to kill the new member before dawn and to perform a ritual. This is like offering sacrifice to Mr. Lerbel for all the prosperity the family is enjoying. 3. Rules must be followed in letter and spirit. 4. The doors to the mansion will be locked and cameras turned off as game rule. Mansion contain numerous hidden passages. 5. If family fails to give sacrifice, the whole family will perish. 6. The family member who is wed must himself offer sacrifice of his partner to Mr. Lerbel in the ritual. In the past, some family members tried not playing game in order to avoid deadly game but found dead in the morning. This has strengthened families' belief in Mr. Lerbel games which they are playing since ages. After marriage, the whole family sat around the table, card is placed in box and Grace withdrew it with hide and seek written on card. This perplexed the two brothers Daniel and Alex who despise their family games. Grace went to hide herself. She is happy. After a few minutes of hiding, she decided to come out of her hiding place. Alex found her and sneaked her inside bedroom. On approaching steps, he hid with Grace in the room. Alex's sister, being panicked and in a hurry to kill the bride, accidentally kills a maid. This is when Grace comes to know about the reality of game. Alex helps her in getting out of the mansion. She goes through much, narrowly missed getting shot or caught by one of the family members or servants, once shot in hand by the child George as well in stable, where she saw those previously killed by family. Finally, when Alex managed to unlock all doors and destroyed CCTV system, Grace reaches north fence leading to exit from mansion. One of servant followed her and chased her. She managed to get car driven by servant and connected to police. Unfortunately, the car was stolen and was locked by police. The servant caught her and was bringing her back when she again managed to get rid of him but soon caught by Daniel and his father. Daniel is a good guy and hates his family rituals. Since he knew his father was hidden behind a tree trunk, he posed not to help Grace and they brought her back in mansion ready to sacrifice her. Here Daniel betrayed family by mixing something in drinks to temporarily distract family. Meanwhile, Alex was handcuffed in room by family to avoid interference. He told his mother that he prefers Grace over her because she is a good person. Her mother claims that she knew Alex more than he knew himself. A similar claim was made by his auntie when she said Alex will lead the family. Daniel tried to escort Grace but was encountered by his wife, who killed him because he was creating resistance to kill Grace. This made Grace reckless. She killed her angrily and moved on. She encountered Alex's mother who tried to kill her and in her anger she crushed her head. Alex saw her killing her mother and his eyes changed. He captured Grace and got ready her for sacrifice. Just when he was about to stab her in heart, Grace managed to move away. Knife thrashed her shoulder, she caught knife and moved back. Dawn came. None died. All family was amazed. Panicked and surprised, auntie shouted that she will kill the bride no matter what and launched herself forward. Suddenly she exploded and then one by one all family exploded. Alex pleaded Grace to forgive her but she broke engagement and on this Alex also exploded. Grace saw a glimpse of Mr. Lerbel and realized the truth of this insane demonic game. The whole mansion burnt. One police and fire brigade approached her and asked what has happened. She said, in-laws, and on this note movie ended. Some conclusions. 1. Alex changed because he was disheartened by the deaths of Daniel, his younger brother, and his mother whose head was crushed. He thought Grace killed them and so he realized she is no more someone he loves. 2. Alex believed in the truth of game and that's why didn't prevent Grace from drawing card, as in that case couple would have died in the morning. 3. Alex was selfish. He hated his family and though he knew the truth of game he wanted only safety of himself and Grace and therefore deviated with game rules. 4. In the end he was convinced that his and his family's safety depends on sacrifice of Grace. Some inferences. 1. Maybe if family hadn't decided to kill Grace after dawn they could all have lived, as both sides tried their best. 2. If Grace hadn't broke engagement Alex would have lived. 3. Such dark objects usually aren't destroyed. Maybe